Reusable water bottles are everywhere and becoming more popular every day. This is great and more people should use them. But what about sparkling water? Imagine being able to make sparkling water anytime, anywhere. Hi, I'm Luke.
And I'm Peter. We are the co-founders of Spark2Go.
And we want to revolutionize the way you look at sparkling water. Which is why we started Spark2Go, a metal reusable bottle with an integrated carbonation system so you can make your favorite sparkling water wherever you are. I'm passionate about sustainability and have always tried to reduce my impact on the environment. I also love drinking sparkling water, but since bottled water requires up to 2,000 times more energy to produce than the equivalent of tap water, I don't like the idea of buying plastic bottles. And so in 2019, the idea for Spark2Go was born. Now all I need is a small CO2 cartridge and tap water to make my favorite drink anywhere. A cartridge weighs 12 times less than a liter of water and can make up to 4 liters of sparkling water. Shipping billions of bottles of water is a major contributor of greenhouse gases, and on top of that, only a fraction of plastics are actually recycled globally. The metal cartridges can carbonate multiple liters of water. When finished, they simply go in the metal waste bin and will get recycled into new products. Because unlike plastic, metal recycles forever.
For the past 2 years, we have been developing our bottle, incorporating feedback from the community as we move along. The Spark2Go bottle is vacuum insulated and it uses 16 or 20 gram CO2 cartridges that offers you full control over the level of carbonation. Through the compact design and its small size, you can really use this bottle anywhere, even in the office or in a small kitchen. Our bottle offers you a more sustainable solution to buying sparkling water in plastic bottles from the stores. We've built and tested numerous prototypes, optimizing our design to ensure the safety and functionality of the product. Here, my experience as a mechanical engineer working with pressure vessels in the industrial gas industry has really been of great benefit. But we wanted to wait to reach a certain point in our design before coming to you guys for help. The grant that we received from the German government has really helped us reach that point, and now we are coming to you for assistance to cross that final hurdle and start our production. We have just finished our first round of testing with a small selected group of users, and the beta test is currently in planning. Together with our manufacturer, we are doing DFM before we start tooling and molding, and finally the production later this year. With your help and backing in this campaign, we can bring this product to life. Spark2Go offers a more sustainable solution to sparkling water in plastic bottles, and you can help reduce single-use plastics. So please join us in making bubbles
and not waste.